Okay. Oh! Fuck. Okay. I'm good at this. I've got my glasses on too. Okay, let's go. Oh! Oh! These glasses off, I might be better. Okay. Oh, that's better. Okay, so it's for shits and giggles. Let's start by saying that for a long time, or as long as I can remember, let's say since my late 40s, best I can do, last 10, 15 years, I've been all sorts of unwell and haven't been able to figure it out. I had been diagnosed with ulcerative colitis, and I had a full, I think it's a colectomy, removed all my bowel, large bowel, to get over that disease. But I never felt great afterwards. I'd feel good occasionally, and then out of nowhere, I'd feel lousy again. Just no energy, lethargic, fatigued, tired, sleep, aching, joints aching, muscles aching, a bad cough, bad morning cough, pressure on my chest, all sorts of things. Couldn't work it out. And anyhow, the beginning of this year, I like leek and potato soup. Always have. So I made up a big batch of leek and potato soup. It was a Friday night, and I loved it. But then the next day I was crook. So all the symptoms again, the aching muscles, the cough, the heavy chest. And I thought, could it be the leek? Anyhow, I never gave it much thought. I just thought, maybe. And then about a week later, I went to a friend's place, and we had a roast. They cooked up a beautiful roast meal, and they had roast onion. I thought, oh, ripper, I love roast onion, so I got stuck in. And the next day I could hardly move again. So it sort of dawned on me that maybe it's onions. So now I've got it down to leek and onion now. And then still the penny hadn't fully dropped. I was just becoming aware, I suppose. And about a week later, my wife bought me a lovely cast iron casserole dish, which I've wanted for ages. So I made a really big beef and bean, I think it was beef and bean casserole. And it had 3 large onions and 2 large cloves of garlic in it. And again, I loved it, it was beautiful. And the next morning, all that weekend, I just ached and slept, couldn't get out of my way. And I thought, be buggered. I can't eat onions. So this is probably 6 weeks or so ago. And it was then I decided then I'd stop eating onions. And I haven't felt better for ages. So I told you all that so I could tell you I've also started riding my bush bike again, which I like doing, but I haven't been able to do for ages. So now I'm going uphill and I'm puffing a bit. I've only just started riding again. And the local farmers markets isn't that far from me. Ooh. I'll slow down a bit and get my breath back. So it's Saturday morning. Yeah, I'm just going to pop around and have a look. I thought I'd throw the GoPro on the Deadly and talk and ride at the same time, which probably wasn't a good idea considering how unfit I am. But I'm loving being out and about on the bike. Oh. I'll stop up here at this next tree and I'll try, I think it's hyper view they call it on the GoPro, from here until I get to the markets. So now just left the markets, and I did buy, is it peppermint? I think it was a peppermint geranium. Love the smell. Yeah, I want to turn right here. His car's sorted out. Yep. Oh, he's going in the car park. And I'm going to Bunnings, because I want to buy some top weight carrot seeds. It's supposed to be a good eating, open pollinated carrot. So I have to go and buy it and find out. Oh, I can't get across there. Okay. Go through to the next one. Rathford Street. Our crazy main road. Through the heart of town. Turn left only, the sign says. And I will turn right. Oh, there we go. Love this. This used to be the old foundry. I don't know which part of the old foundry this was, but I love riding through here. Get out of here. Got the seeds. Going home. This is a fun little exit on the push bike. Here we go. Get in my little green lane. Hope like hell no one runs me over. So far so good. Alright, it's all uphill from here, so you don't want to hear me up and puff. I will turn myself onto time warp it is. I thought it was hyperlapse, but anyhow.